Hello, welcome to 609 Tarimore Drive here in Springfield, Ohio. Here I have a nice 3-bed, 1-bath. This is a ranch on a slab. Notice the 1-car attached garage. This also has a enclosed patio off the back. Has some windows, kind of like a sunroom, but definitely like an enclosed patio. Dimensional shingles, vinyl windows, furnace and AC new in 2016, water heater 2013. This house is move-in ready. Fully fenced in yard. You notice the driveway. I'm going to walk in the back here and show you good size backyard. Fenced in. You notice it's private there in the back with the privacy fence and chain link fence on this side. And here's the back of the house. And again, there's that covered patio area. There's your entrance into the garage. There's your entrance into that covered patio. As you can see, the dimensional shingles. And now I'll meet you inside for the tour. Okay, welcome inside. Upon entering the home, you'll notice a nice sized living room here. Paddle fan. Vinyl replacement windows throughout the whole house. This house could definitely benefit from some fresh paint and some flooring. But other than that, everything else is in really overall good shape. This house is move-in ready. This house is being sold to settle an estate, so it's being sold as is. And here's the kitchen. This room right here has the furnace, the water heater. Furnace is 2016, water heater is 2013. And then you have a separate area for the washer and dryer. The washer and dryer are included. You got an updated panel box. Nice size open kitchen. Really good shape. Refrigerator and stove do convey. This door here goes out to the 1-car attached garage. This door here goes out to this covered patio. It's got several windows that open. It does appear to have screens in them as well. And then this door goes out to, again, nice sized backyard, fully fenced. And as we circle back in, down the hall here you have a coat closet. Bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. And last but not least, we have a good sized bathroom here. You got the stand-up shower. You got a closet there for towels and such. Thank you for taking this tour with me. Go ahead and schedule your showings, as this one won't last long. Thanks again.